Hello, it's Hardreset, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove a keycap from a Logitech G715. So, here we have our keyboard, and I want to remove this and this one and change it places. So, put your finger behind the keycap and the other one in the other side and just pull. And here you go. Same with this. And now we can safely switch them places or paint it or what do you want. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.